Welcome to today's guide on how to set up a home entertainment system. Whether you're a movie buff, a gaming enthusiast, or just looking to enhance your home entertainment experience, this video will show you how to create your ultimate home entertainment setup without breaking a sweat. First, let's take a look at the components you'll need. Number 1. The television or display. Choose a size and resolution that fits your space and preferences. Next, you'll need an audio system. You can go for a soundbar, a home theater system, or even high-quality headphones if you prefer a more private experience. For immersive gaming or an authentic theater experience, consider a gaming console or a dedicated media player. Now, let's talk about connectivity. To ensure all your devices work seamlessly, use HDMI cables and make sure you have enough ports on your TV. A universal remote control can simplify the operation of your system. Some even allow you to control your lights and thermostat. With the hardware sorted, let's dive into setting up your home entertainment system. Step 1. Find the perfect spot for your TV or display. Make sure it's at eye level and centered in your viewing area. Step 2. Set up your audio system. Ensure speakers are placed strategically for optimal sound quality. Step 3. Connect all your devices to the TV using HDMI cables. Label them for easy identification. Step 4. Configure your universal remote control to operate all connected devices. Step 5. Don't forget about cable management. Use cable clips or conduits to keep everything tidy. Finally, Step 6. Test your system. Check that all devices are working as they should and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. Your home entertainment system is set up and ready to go. Now, all that's left to do is grab some popcorn, kick back, and enjoy your favorite movies, games, and shows from the comfort of your own home.